Morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guidely again. And this is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. Sound clear hoga, picture quality is fine. 23rd of May 2025 current affairs we are going to cover right now in the session. अभी का discussion हमारा होगा 23rd of May 2025 के current affairs के ऊपर. ठीक है, start करेंगे discussion को and refresh once the session is started. So 23rd of May. पहले न्यूज हाइलाइट्स देख लेते हैं. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया टू रिड्यूस द कैश इन्फ्यूजन आफ्टर इंजेक्टिंग $100 billion in the economy में Indian economy. In the Indian economy, Reserve Bank have already infused around $100 million, and now RBI is going to decrease the liquidity because the liquidity is going to boost more than required. So that may increase the inflation in the upcoming days. So now RBI will play precautionary and decrease the liquidity in the upcoming days. This is what RBI said. I'll give you the detail in brief. Second news was Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority is recently got the approval of 1,500 crore rupee loan from the Bank of Maharashtra for the slum redevelopment project. तो slum redevelopment project के लिए भी recently जो आपका मुंबई मेट्रोपॉलिटन अथॉरिटी है इनको अभी अप्रूवल मिला है 1,500 crore rupee loan का, which bank have given this approval. So the approval was given by Bank of Maharashtra. BOM have given the approval. ठीक है, so BOM ने approval provide किया है. Just a second guys. Okay, so BOM, Bank of Maharashtra have given this approval. Next news is Department of Telecom launches financial fraud risk indicator to tackle the cyber crimes in India. So this financial fraud indicator will be a supportive system for the bank, NBFCs and TPAP, third party application provider like Phone Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay. They will be able to utilize it to decrease the fraud related transactions in India. India assumed the chairmanship of Asian Productivity Organization at 67th governing body that was held in Jakarta. Where is the headquarter of this organization? When this organization was formed? What is the main objective of this organization? All these questions will be created. I will give the complete brief. Trump unveiled $175 billion Golden Dome. Golden Dome, a space age missile shield for the US, means airspace defense system. So one of the most advanced airspace defense system to create it, which will be connected directly with the satellite. Trump recently announced $175 billion. It is a Golden Dome. So it will be like Iron Dome of Israel is very famous, right? And India have created Akash. India के पास अपना खुद का बनाया हुआ आकाश है. Then we purchased another one from Russia as well. So $175 billion for creating the Golden Dome, that is announced. FSSAI, Food Safety Standard Authority of India. Food Safety Standard Authority of India launches the crackdown of illegal food ripening practices. Food ripening means that is small fruit after giving injection become over the night big also and ready to use. That is, it may take 4 days, 5 days, 6 days that it could be ready to use, but in one day by carbide and all using over it chemicals, so it is ready to use. कुल मिला के कच्चे पकों को पकाने के लिए कि आपके खाने लायक वो रेडी हो जाए, उसके लिए जो केमिकल्स यूज हो रहे हैं उस पर FSSAI now is working, especially mangoes. Supreme Court mandate 3-year legal practice for the judicial service entry. It is a very, very big decision. It is going to change the preparation strategy of lots of candidates now. I'll explain you what it is. There is an examination conducted at the state level called civil judge examination. So for the civil judge examination, those who complete their LLB, they can apply. Now, Supreme Court made the rule, after completion of LLB, you need to do the practice for 3 years at least. At least 3-year practice required as an advocate, and after that you can apply for the civil judge examinations. So it will, because now examinations which are conducted, they need to increase the age and all everything. State government means the bodies which are conducting these examinations at the state level, like in MP it is conducted by MPPSC. So they need to make the changes in the age also for the candidate. Why? Graduation plus 3 year, this is the basic requirement now. If you will keep the age 28, so it is going to be very difficult for the people for writing the examination. This is one thing. And now fresher, those who immediately completed the this LLB, they will not be allowed to write the examination. Till now they were allowed. iGoat, Karam Yogi, that is integrated government online training. Karam Yogi portal now have 1 crore plus registration, means 1 crore plus civil servant have registered on this portal. I'll give you the complete detail regarding portal as well. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi launches Depot Darpan, Anya Mitra and Anya Sahayata. 3 applications launched. What are these 3 applications? How they are going to be useful? Full detail. Arunachal Pradesh welcome new butterfly species called Euthlia malaccana. Euthlia malaccana is the name of the species of that butterfly which is recently found in Arunachal Pradesh. पहले एमसीक्यू रिवीजन कर लेते हैं, आफ्टर दैट विल बी मूविंग टुवर्ड द डिटेल न्यूज ऑफ द डे, कंप्लीशन आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ होमवर्क. चलिए कुछ आंसर्स लगाइएगा फटाफट, थोड़ा स्पीड पकड़कर. Question number 1. As per the May report, Reserve Bank of India raised the concern over IndusInd Bank weak internal audit in 23. What was the value incorrectly recorded as the interest income over the 3 quarter in the financial year 25 by the IndusInd Bank? Yesterday we have discussed this news in detail. कल मैंने आंसर आप लोगों को, मतलब ये न्यूज आप लोगों को बताया था डिटेल में. गुड मॉर्निंग नरेश जी, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग वेंकटेश. रेडी फॉर द आंसर एवरीवन? चलिए आंसर की तरफ मूव कर रहा हूं, मैं भी स्पीड पकड़ के रखूंगा. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 674 crore rupees. So RBI issues the data yesterday that IndusInd Bank, there are lots of dispensaries which were found that challenges or differences, wrong data in the financial report of IndusInd Bank was formed. One of the data that was wrong is 674 crore rupee was added as an interest income and then it was removed in the month of January 2024. So 24 January 25 in the starting of this year it was removed. CEO Sumat Katpalia sir also resigned because of the same type of concern. What is the amount of the penalty imposed by ACO General Insurance by IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, recently imposed the penalty on the ACO General Insurance regarding not following the certain guideline regarding use of the third party in the insurance sector. So 1 crore rupee fine was imposed by IRDA. So Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, 1 crore rupee fine was imposed. IRDA headquarter located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Debashish Panda sir is the chairman of IRDA. 1999 it was founded. Who has been elected as the president of Supreme Court Bar Association in 25? So Supreme Court Bar Association के नए president अभी recently elect हुए हैं. Mr. कपिल सिब्बल was the president previously. तो कपिल सिब्बल सर आंसर नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये पहले इसके president थे. So this year कपिल सिब्बल सर have not participated actually into that election. इस साल वो participate नहीं कर रहे थे election में. One second. Yeah. So Kapil Sibal sir will not be the answer. Answer is Mr. Pradeep Kumar Rai. So senior advocate Pradeep Kumar Rai from the Supreme Court Bar Council Association elected as the president of association, and this is not the first time he has been elected. Previously he was the president in 2018, then 21, then 22, 23. So this is the 4th time he has been elected as the president. 4 बार, चौथी बार ये president की position पर elect हुए. Next one, what is the name of the new tax based initiative launched by Ministry of Home Affairs to combat against the cyber financial fraud? So today also we have a one new news regarding the cyber financial fraud and one news we have discussed yesterday. So what is the name of the new tag based initiative launched by the Ministry of Home Affairs to fight against the cyber frauds? Correct answer is E0FIR system. E0FIR system, it was launched by Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah. Amit Shah ji ने launch किया था. It aimed to swift registration of the FIR for the high value cyber financial fraud. Any cyber financial fraud amount more than 10 lakh rupee will be automatically converted into the FIR. तो 10 लाख रुपए से ऊपर का कोई भी जो फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड है, आफ्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन ओवर द कॉल ऑल्सो इट विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली कन्वर्टेड इनटू FIR. इसको नाम दिया गया जीरो FIR सिस्टम. आगे मूव करेंगे. What sports does Shivpal Singh represents in India? So recently there was a news regarding Mr. Shivpal Singh that he has been banned. Currently he is on an initial mode. He has been banned by NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency. Provisionally we can say that provisionally banned, not the confirmation like how many years ban it will be, but provisionally banned. He belongs to javelin throw. So अभी इनको provisionally ban किया है. Now it is a possibility that he may get the ban, permanent ban of 8 years. 8 साल के लिए इनको ban हो सकता है. अभी provisionally ban किया है नाडा ने. By which year India projected to become the world largest potato producer? कौन से सन तक भारत विश्व में सबसे बड़ा आलू का उत्पादक बन जाएगा? By which year India become the largest producer of potato in the world? Correct answer is 2060. Replacing China, India will become the largest producer. ये सारे डेटा हैं. Ministry of Skill Development Entrepreneurship launches special entrepreneurship scheme for the northeastern youth. How much additional, ध्यान से पढ़ना है, how much additional monthly stipend will be provided under the new apprenticeship scheme as a part of existing national apprenticeship promotional program allowances? So additional amount पूछा है, that additional how much amount of money will be provided? Correct answer is 1500 rupee. If they will ask total how much apprenticeship will be provided, so answer will be 1500 plus 1500. So in that case answer is going to be 3000. उस केस में आपका आंसर 3000 बन जाएगा. पॉइंट क्लियर है? 1500 है ना बेटा, एक्स्ट्रा 1500 है एंड 1500 आपका ये है. टोटल 26,000 beneficiary youth will be covered into that. ठीक, पॉइंट क्लियर. आगे आ जाइए. Who became the first Kannada writer to win International Booker Prize 2025? So International Booker Prize 2025 won by Banu Mustaq. Banu Mustaq ma'am have been honored with this prize. She became the first author in the Kannada language to be honored with the International Booker Prize for her story collection called Heartland. This was the story collection or the novel for which she has been honored. And and one more point, her novel was translated to English by Deepa Basti ma'am have translated into English. चलिए आगे मूव करेंगे. As per the recent report, Mizoram achieved the milestone of becoming the first Indian state to achieve 100% literacy rate. Which program helped Mizoram to achieve this literacy milestone? हाल ही में रिपोर्ट आया कि भाई मिजोरम जो है वो 100% लिटरेसी रेट वाले स्टेट बन गया है. कौन सा प्रोग्राम है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का जिसने हेल्प किया मिजोरम को टू बिकम द स्टेट विद द 100% लिटरेसी? करेक्ट आंसर इज उल्लास, नव भारत साक्षरता कार्यक्रम. सो उल्लास इनिशिएटिव हेल्प्ड मिजोरम टू अटेंड द 100% लिटरेसी रेट ऑफ इंडिया. चलिए आगे मूव करेंगे. होमवर्क के क्वेश्चंस चेक करते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट मूविंग टुवर्ड द न्यूज ऑफ द डे. उसके बाद आज के न्यूज के ऊपर मूव करेंगे. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर हुए यहां तक के सारे एमसीक्यूज रिवाइज हो गए. मैं एमसीक्यू रिवीजन डिटेल सेशन आज करवाने वाला था, बट बिकॉज एसबीआई पीयू इंटरव्यू यू गाइज आर अवेयर अबाउट इट, सो करेंटली माय एसबीआई पीयू इंटरव्यू, सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इंटरव्यू, आईडीबीआई इंटरव्यू, these batches are going on. With that BOB scale 2 interview is also going on. तो थोड़ा सा समझ सकते हो, you can understand my situation that if you are busy with 3-4 interviews at a time कि क्या आपकी स्थिति चल रही हो. So we'll do the MCQ revision session, but next week. So this week or this weekend I need time to give more responses or to focus properly on the interview batches. तो उन पर थोड़ा सा फोकस करने के लिए जरूरी है. ठीक है. अच्छा 2050 था क्या? चेक कर लेंगे एक बार, उसको मैं फीड उसमें ठीक कर दूंगा. हो सकता है मैंने टाइपो कर दिया हो, चेक कर लेंगे एक बार, उसको पीडीएफ में करेक्ट कर दूंगा. ठीक है, एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं और पीडी अभी अभी करेक्ट कर लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, हो सकता है हो गया करेक्ट है, 2050 है वो, 2060 मैंने टाइपो है वो, कलर गलती से चेंज कर दिया, सो इट विल बी 2050। एक बार शो कर देता हूं एंड आफ्टर दैट विल मूव बैक, सेव कर लेते हैं, शो कर देते हैं, सो इट विल बी करेक्टेड। थैंक यू दुर्गा। सो अच्छा, दो जगह पर गलती करी है, ठीक है चेक कर लेते हैं। सो बाय विच ईयर इंडिया प्रोजेक्टेड टू बिकम द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट पोटैटो प्रोड्यूसर, करेक्ट आंसर आपका यहाँ पर क्या होगा, 2050 है, नॉट 2060, 2050 है वो, 2060 नहीं होगा, जल्दी जल्दी में मैंने 2050 कर दिया था उसको। एंड प्रदीप कुमार राय सर वॉज प्रीवियसली द प्रेसिडेंट, अभी आपके विकास सिंह है, तो ये दो क्वेश्चंस हैं, ठीक है ओके। फटाफट से अपडेट कर लेते हैं। विकास सिंह इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन एट प्रेजेंट, प्रीवियसली इट वाज मिस्टर प्रदीप कुमार राय, लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर इट वाज कपिल सिब्बल, आफ्टर दैट प्रदीप कुमार राय, आफ्टर दैट अभी करंट में आपके विकास सिंह है, ठीक है। जेवलिन थ्रो वाला करेक्ट था 2050। सो बाय विच ईयर इंडिया प्रोजेक्टेड टू बिकम द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट पोटैटो प्रोड्यूसर, तो आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 2050 तक हो जाएगा, ठीक है, तो ये करेक्ट आंसर है। आगे मूव करें, ये करेक्ट था, दो जगह पर मिस्टेक हुई थी, उसको वो कर लिया है करेक्ट, एंड पीडीएफ में भी आपके पास करेक्ट ऑप्शन ही पहुंचेगा, ठीक है, थैंक यू। The term account aggregator in the Indian financial system refers to, so account aggregator क्या होता है, it is a system where all your details regarding if you are holding insurance policy, after that mutual fund accounts, different account loans will be collected at one place. So account aggregator can collect all your financial data at one place to simplify all your financial transactions, so it is easy manner, so that is called account aggregator framework. So RBI regulated entity to share the financial data securely, that is what the account aggregator framework. Second है आपके पास objective of Udgam portal in the year 2023 that was launched. So Udgam, you know about the Udgam, it help in claiming the unclaimed deposit. So Udgam का full form ही है unclaimed deposit gateway to access information, multiple time we have discussed about Udgam. Then digital rupee or e-rupee refers in the Indian context. So correct answer is a digital rupee is a token coin, or it is a full form is central bank digital currency. So it is a digital currency that is a legal currency in India, which is a official legal digital currency of India. भारत की डिजिटल लीगल करेंसी, लीगल टेंडर है इंडिया का, दैट इज कॉल्ड सीबीडीसी. इट इज लॉन्च्ड इनटू टू फॉर्मेट, सीबीडीसी आर that is retail and CBDC W that is wholesale. So retail wholesale दो फॉर्मेट में इसको लॉन्च किया गया है, ठीक है. Then which of the following introduced by Reserve Bank of India to regulate the functioning of digital lending application? So correct answer है framework of the digital lending 2022, framework of the digital lending 2022, ठीक है, framework of the digital lending 2022. इसमें यूडीआरएन आपका होता है यूनिक डेट रेफरेंस नंबर, ये इसमें डेट फंड में यूज होता है. तो यूडीआरएन जो होता है वो बैंक असाइन करता है, एवरी बैंक असाइन यूडीआरएन नंबर, इंडिविजुअल यूडीआरएन नंबर टू द कस्टमर विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ विच यू कैन check that okay how much unclaimed deposit I have according to the Udgam portal. So that is what the UDRN number, a unique number that is provided by the bank. So उसको बोलते हैं यूनिक डेट रेफरेंस नंबर, यूनिक डेट रेफरेंस नंबर, ठीक है. यहाँ पे पॉइंट क्लियर. सो आंसर्स हमारे टीएनए हीरोज के काव्या, गोपिका, सबा, प्रिया भगत, जग्गी दुर्गा राव जी, निकिता, बनी, आफ्टर दैट एस्प्रेंट, विकी. I don't have currently idea about the this mock offer. Okay, Sai, Parul, Sandhya, Khushi Jain. After that, Malang, and next one Prasann and Saran, Simran. Thank you guys. Thank you for answers. Let's see questions for tomorrow. कल के लिए होमवर्क क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए, फिर न्यूज पर चलते हैं, न्यूज वाइंड अप करते हैं. Which regulatory initiative have been launched by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, in the coordination with the Reserve Bank of India to improve the data exchange for the credit rating purpose? Important question है और बड़ा random question है from the banking awareness category. I am trying to find out such type of random questions. In 2024, which initiative was launched to boost the financial literacy through the personalized WhatsApp-based chat services by the Reserve Bank of India? तो RBI ने एक initiative launch किया था 2024 में to increase the financial literacy with the support of WhatsApp. तो उसका आंसर बताइएगा. In April 2025, RBI mandated framework to recovery agent, loan recovery agent. What is the key guideline under this directive? तो ये आपके पास क्वेश्चन हो गए. Hustle 2.0 बैच going well. We moved up to inflation. अभी आपका inflation टॉपिक इसमें चल रहा है. कल हमने inflation स्टार्ट किया था. Today we are going to cover the different type of inflation, like what is stagflation, skewflation, bottleneck inflation, core inflation, headline inflation. So all these type of inflation we are going to cover today in the session. So you can also join it today only and start your preparation immediately for the banking and current affairs in detail. Central Bank of India Credit Officer personalized interview batches live. IDBI GM interview batches live. Inform to your friends about that. And SBI PO GD GEPI psychometric test. All things will be covered in the batch taken by me. Good. It is our personalized mentorship program. If you want the personalized mentorship for your preparation, connect with the GOAT. PDF will be available in this Telegram group, so get the PDF after the session, including the MCQ. मैंने आंसर्स करेक्ट कर दिए हैं, वो टाइपो हो गए थे एक दो क्वेश्चन लास्ट मोमेंट चेंजेस में, ठीक है, तो मैंने करेक्ट कर दिए हैं. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया to reduce the cash infusion after injecting $100 billion infuse करने के बाद रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया have decided not to inject more money into the economy, otherwise it will increase the inflation. समझाता हूं पॉइंट क्या है. RBI was conducting from the last few months, started from December till May, RBI was conducting open market operation. What is open market operation? Open market operation have two different phase. Phase 1, whenever गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया वांट टू रेज मनी फ्रॉम द मार्केट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लोन, जब गवर्नमेंट को मार्केट से लोन लेना हो, एट दैट टाइम गवर्नमेंट इश्यूज द सिक्योरिटीज like treasury bill, cash management bill, GSAC. Government sell it in the market and get the loan from the market. So if government is taking loan from the market, it will absorb the liquidity from market. इसमें क्या होगा, मार्केट से liquidity absorb होगी. So for government of India, this task performed by Reserve Bank of India. RBI करता है government के लिए task, not directly government do. So this is called open market operation. ठीक है, this is phase 1. Second, the securities which are already issues in the market, which are already there with the investors, these securities fund can release at the time of need. Whenever government think and RBI feel that market required more liquidity, and this is not the time when we want to absorb the liquidity. This is the time when we need to provide the liquidity. So now what to do? In that case, before the maturity period also, RBI releases the liquidity and do the buyback of security. तो वो गवर्नमेंट के जो बॉन्ड्स हैं उनको क्या कर लेते हैं, बायबैक कर लेते हैं. दैट वी आर बाइंग बैक आवर बॉन्ड एंड वी आर गिविंग योर मनी बैक विद द इंटरेस्ट. टेक योर मनी. So investor have an advantage. They get the money before the maturity period and even with the interest a little discounted. So with the interest, so they take the money. It increases the liquidity into the market. इससे मार्केट में क्या होता है, liquidity increase हो जाती है. I hope you are getting my point. समझ में आया पॉइंट क्या है, क्लियर हुआ? What is the meaning of open market operation? So what RBI was doing with the open market operation? RBI was buying the government security to release the liquidity. So RBI have released around 8.57 lakh crore rupee. RBI infused into the economy, into the banking system. 8.57 lakh crore rupee into the banking system since December through the open market operation. Now, in the last 6 months, 8.57 lakh crore rupee have been already has been already infused. Now RBI is going to transfer dividend to government of India. अभी चल रहा है कि एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ और स्टार्टिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट मंथ, जून फर्स्ट वीक मैक्स टू मैक्स, RBI is going to provide the dividend to government of India. Day before yesterday or yesterday only we had a discussion around contingency risk buffer, that RBI is maintaining the contingency risk buffer up to 6.5 and now RBI is asking the permission to increase it कि भाई हमको contingency risk buffer increase करना है. क्या होता है contingency risk buffer? The amount which is kept by Reserve Bank of India from the profit aside to fight with the future risk. ऐसा पैसा जो RBI साइड में रख रहा है अपने प्रॉफिट से, ये प्रॉफिट है, इतना पैसा साइड में रख लो, फ्यूचर में कोई फाइनेंशियल रिस्क होता है तो हमारे पास एक सेविंग्स है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंटीजेंसी रिस्क बफर. करेंटली आरबीआई मैंने 6.5% मैक्स टू मैक्स. RBI is asking to increase it. If government provide the permission, so RBI will increase the contingency risk buffer. Remaining amount RBI will transfer to the government of India. Last year RBI transfer 1.21 lakh crore, 2.11 lakh crore. Yeah. Last year RBI transferred how much? 2.11 lakh crore. This was the amount that was transferred by the Reserve Bank of India last year, highest ever. अब तक का highest जो डिविडेंड था वो आरबीआई ने शेयर किया लास्ट ईयर 2.11 लाख करोड़. दिस ईयर देयर इज अ एक्सपेक्टेशन दैट आरबीआई मे ट्रांसफर बिटवीन 2.5 to 3 lakh crore. 7 economists suggested this. और the Citibank estimation is 3.5 to 4 lakh crore rupee will be transferred by the Reserve Bank of India. So this amount will also go to the liquidity. ये पैसा भी liquidity में ही जाने वाला है. It will be added to the budget of government of India. Government will utilize into the economy. सरकार इसको economy में use करेगी. So RBI said we will be decreasing the liquidity into. We will not infuse the more liquidity into the economy now. भाई पॉइंट क्लियर हो रहा है कि नहीं? आप लोग तो ऐसे शांत बैठ जाते हो एक टाइम के बाद दैट इट फील लाइक हाँ थोड़ा बहुत लिख रहे हैं. 2.11 लाख करोड़ करेक्ट है, ठीक है, ओके परफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट है आपका मुंबई मेट्रोपॉलिटन रीजन डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी हैज सिक्योर्ड 1,500 crore rupee loan from the Bank of Maharashtra for slum redevelopment project in Mumbai Ghatkopar. So Mumbai Ghatkopar slum area will be redeveloped by the Mumbai Metropolitan Authority. The total amount of project will be around 8,500 crore rupees. This is the total amount which Mumbai Metropolitan City is looking for. Out of 8,500 crore, around 3,500 crore rupee, around 3,000, not 3,500, around 4,000 crore, almost 4,000 crore. So around 4,000 crore rupee मुंबई मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी इज लुकिंग फ्रॉम द बैंक्स. ये बैंक से लोन लेने के फॉर्म में चल रहा है, बैंक लोन होगा इतना अमाउंट, आउट ऑफ विच 1,500 करोड़ ऑलरेडी अप्रूव्ड बाय BOM. Bank of Maharashtra approved 1,500 crore rupee recently to the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority for the purpose of redevelopment project of Ghatkopar slum. तो Ghatkopar slum के redevelopment से related ये news है. 8,500 crore approximately total fund required. 4,000 crore they are looking from the banking industry. 1,500 crore already approved by the Bank of Maharashtra. ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट न्यूज फ्रॉम द बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस कैटेगरी. बार्कले Indian economy projected to be expanded by 7.2% in the fourth quarter, Jan, Feb, March quarter, that is called JFM quarter of the year 2025. Due to the sharp increase in the indirect tax growth and improvement in the agriculture sector, according to the Barclay. As I have told you multiple times previously, unless we don't have examination in the next week, we are not required to cover the GDP prediction data. Just as update I am giving you, no need to learn the data because in the upcoming days we will be able to find that the data will be updated. तो ये वैसे भी अपडेट होने वाला है तो आपको याद करने का भी इसको जरूरत नहीं है. शॉर्ट में याद रख लो, बार्कले प्रोजेक्टेड 7.2% GDP prediction of India in the quarter 4. DOT, Department of Telecom, launches the financial risk indicator to tackle the cyber crimes in India. So to tackle or to fight against the cyber crime in India, after one initiative, what was the name of the initiative Mr. Amit Shah have launched yesterday? I have discussed with you. क्या नाम है उसका इनिशिएटिव का? कैसा FIR है वो? Which type of FIR system it is? Where the fraud, financial fraud of more than 10 lakh rupee will be automatically converted into the FIR and then our agencies will be working over that. हमारी एजेंसीज काम करेंगी. सो आफ्टर दैट the another initiative Department of Telecom have launched. Department of Telecom, they are supporting, they are helping. Yeah, E0FIR, very good. So Department of Telecom launches the financial fraud indicator to tackle the cyber crime. So Telecom Department will support the bank, NBFCs and TPAP third party application provider by providing analytics tool, digital intelligence platform under the digital intelligence platform. So on the web, bank website, applications and TPAP application in UPI platform, they can install this tool. सारे बैंक के tools को use कर सकते हैं, which will identify and block the mobile number linked to the potential financial frauds. So it will increase the cyber security, cyber safety, decrease the banking financial frauds. तो ये tool एक इन्होंने बनाया है. This tool will be installed with the bank website, bank's application. This tool will identify the potential numbers, mobile numbers of the financial frauds or frauders, and that number will be automatically blocked. When they will try to call to the customer, that will be automatically blocked over the banking channel. So customers will not be able to, means that frauders will not be able to connect with the customer, they will not able to get the customer's data. वो वाली चीज हो जाएगी. So FRI, that is financial intelligence risk, financial risk indicator, FRI, financial risk indicator is an output of the multi-dimensional analytical tool developed under the digital intelligence platform. It will enhance the cyber protection, conduct the validation, check the mobile number and flag the number on risky basis. So mobile number will be highlighted with the risk level, that is medium risk, high risk and very high risk. So FRI will classify mobile number into 3 risk category, that is medium risk, high risk, very high risk. So callers will also able to get the information, very high risk, very high risk. When you will be able to see on your screen very high risk number, don't pick, avoid it, pick ही मत करो. So this is what Department of Telecom have launched recently. I hope the news is clear. News clear है. Next है आपके पास IREDA. IREDA is India Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited. It is a Navratna company. This company recently got the excellence rating. This company recently got the excellence rating from the Department of Public Enterprises for the financial year 2023-24. So Public Enterprises, Department of Public Enterprises ने excellent rating दिया है company को. IREDA has been top performing rating company by the Department of Public Enterprises in its performance based on the MOUs in 23-24. So IREDA received the score of 98 plus, placing into the top CPSE nationwide. तो top CPSE कैटेगरी में इसको रखा गया है nationwide में. So IREDA मिनी रत्ना कैटेगरी 1 कंपनी है under the New and Renewable Energy Ministry. 1987 में फॉर्म हुआ था आपका एज अ पब्लिक सेक्टर कंपनी IREDA. So this is what the data regarding IREDA. अपॉइंटमेंट पर आते हैं. इंडिया assumed the chairmanship of one international organization called Asian Productivity Organization. Asian Productivity Organization at 67th governing body meeting in Jakarta. 67th edition of governing body meeting was held where in Jakarta. Organization name is Asian Productivity Organization. What is the objective? Objective of Asian Productivity Organization is to improve the productivity. Productivity is a very important thing actually. If you are able to improve the productivity in your studies, you will find out that in the minimal time you are able to cover more data, your efficiency is high, and that is what we say productivity is high. Finally, your output is more. Productivity high means output is more in the minimal efforts. कम efforts में ज़्यादा output निकालने का meaning ही क्या होता है? Productivity. So this organization called Asian Productivity Organization for the year 25-26, 67th edition of governing meeting was held in Jakarta, Indonesia, and India, that is DPIIT, Department of Promotion, Industry and Internal Trade, Amardeep Singh Bhatia sir have participated into the meeting and India assumed charge as the chairmanship of this organization. So इस organization की chairmanship India ने ली है. This organization founded in the year 1961 and headquarter located in Tokyo, Japan. दो और डिटेल्स हमको चाहिए. Organization founded in the year 1961 and Tokyo, Japan is the headquarter. DPIIT is going to represent India in this organization. So DPIIT इस organization में इंडिया को क्या करेगा, represent करेगा. Recent meeting was held in Indonesia. It is a group of 21 nations. 21 देशों का group है and no need to learn the member nation. News complete नहीं हुए हैं. Just I want to inform you people that in your group, if you find someone struggling in the preparation of psychometric, group discussion, group exercise, personal interview for SBIPO, inform them confidently that go to the Guidely, join the Aditya sir course and prepare well. I would give you 100% assurity your recommendation. After your recommendation, they will never come back and say you अरे यार गलत बोल दिया. They will always say you thank you if you will recommend the course of Aditya sir, especially for this SBIPO 2025 GDGEPA. Thank you. चलिए नेशनल इंटरनेशनल न्यूज पर आते हैं. ट्रंप अनवेल्ड 175 बिलियन गोल्डन डोम. गोल्डन डोम will be a air defense system that will be developed by USA. USA kept a big target that this 175 billion dollar will be the initial amount. It is going to be the overall project of approximately 500 billion dollar. तो टोटल ये 500 बिलियन डॉलर का प्रोजेक्ट होगा. गोल्डन डोम एम टू प्रोवाइड मल्टी लेयर शील्ड अगेंस्ट द मिसाइल थ्रेट्स इंक्लूडिंग दोज ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम स्पेस. अगर कोई स्पेस डीबर्स भी आता है and that will fall over the USA, it will be destroyed by the defense system. So defense system not only protecting from enemy countries, it will protect from the space also. If anything come from space and fall, अगर aliens ने भी attack कर दिया, so that will be protected. That is what Trump है, possible है, ठीक है, अभी बोल सकते हैं वो कुछ भी. So drawing the inspiration from Ronald Reagan 1980s स्टार वॉर प्रोग्राम. तो रोनाल्ड रेगन का जो 1980s स्टार वॉर प्रोग्राम है उसको रखते हुए गोल्डन डोम इंट्रोड्यूस फॉर द स्पेस इंटरसेप्टर्स लेजर एज अ पार्ट ऑफ मोस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव डिफेंस सिस्टम इन द अमेरिकन हिस्ट्री. सो इट विल बी initial allocation will be 25 billion dollar, but it will have the overall project of approximately 550 billion dollar will be operational by January 2029. तो January 2029 तक इसको क्या कर लिया जाएगा, ready. What will be the name? Golden Dome. Name will be Golden Dome. Next news is related to the mangoes which you are enjoying nowadays on a daily basis. FSSAI, Food Safety Standard Authority of India, have informed or asked to the state agencies, state government that work continuously, regularly over the use of ripping against the ripping of the fruits, like using the product like calcium carbide. So calcium carbide type of product used by the fruit sellers for the ripping of the fruits before time. Ripping means फल को पकाना समय से पहले, to make it ready to eat before time. That is what the ripping. So for stopping this artificial fruit ripping practices, recently Food Safety Standard Authority of India issues the notification for all the state agencies. So FSSAI issues the nationwide directive on 21st of May 2025 asking the food safety commissioners, regional directors to conduct the special enforcement drive to prevent the use of prohibited chemical and especially the chemical carbide in ripping of the fruit like mangoes. अभी mangoes में बहुत ज़्यादा use हो रहा है ये, ठीक है. न्यूज़ क्लियर है, सिंपल न्यूज़ है, क्लियर है. आगे मूव करें. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़. Supreme Court mandated 3 years of legal practices of judicial service entry. So whoever want to write the examination of civil judge now, they need to have the experience as an advocate for minimum 3 years. This is what the rule made by Supreme Court of India recently under the leadership of Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai. So B.R. Gavai sir जो हैं इनके चेयरमैनशिप में ये रूल पास किया है. As I have told you in the starting also, in short, it is going to make lots of changes in the competitive examination for law, especially the civil judge examination. Why? till now most of the freshers, they were not doing the practice because practice consume lots of time. So once the LLB completed or they are there in the final year of LLB, they start preparing for the civil judge examination. Whole day sitting into the coaching classes, library, studying about the law and writing the civil judge examination and clear it. But they don't have any field experience about the law. So because of that, Supreme Court made this new rule that all the people, those who want to write the civil judge examination, need to have at least 3 years of practice experience. So experience will be certified. Experience will be certified. So whatever the experience, it has to be certified. So certification required. Candidate must have a proof of practice certificate by the principal judicial officer of the court. Either from the court they should have it where they are practicing. So court principal judicial officer will give that, yes, from the past 3 years or past 4 years this person is practicing in our court. Or advocate, those who the person who is advocate from the last 10 years, means senior advocate, a little senior advocate who is doing the advocacy from the at least 10 years, they can issue the certificate. So either old advocates or senior advocates can issue the certificate, or it can be issued by the principal judicial officer. That certificate will be required for writing the examination. तो वो arrange हो जाएगा, उतना बड़ा problem नहीं है, but rule made by the Supreme Court of India. IGOT, next is IGOT. IGOT is integrated government online training portal. It is a portal that was made by the government of India for launching the courses for the IAS, IPS, IRS officer, civil servants in India. कि सिविल सर्वेंट्स भी अपने आप को टाइम के साथ में अपडेट करते हुए चलें फ्रॉम द न्यू चैलेंजेस or new type of courses launched by the government of India on the portal called IGOT portal. Now the total registration on the IGOT portal crosses 1 crore. 1 crore से ज्यादा जो registrations है वो हो गए हैं. Over 60% registrations on the IGOT portals are from 36 states and union territories. Top 5 states so far are Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. So maximum number of registrations from the civil servant are from this area: Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, etc. यहाँ से हुआ है maximum registration. So IGOT is a portal that offer 2,400 courses in the 16 languages, contributed more than 200 course provider including the central and state government. तो इन कोर्सेज को करने के लिए सिविल सर्वेंट बनना जरूरी है. देन ओनली द रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑन द IGOT पोर्टल विल बी अलाउड. द फर्स्ट कर्म योगी सप्ताह was held during 19 to 27th of October 2024. तो ये पहली बार कंडक्ट हुआ था लास्ट ईयर. दिस ईयर इट विल बी कंडक्टेड फॉर द सेकंड टाइम. इंडिया सक्सेसफुली होस्ट सेकंड ब्लू टॉक ahead of third edition of UN Ocean Conference. एक क्वेश्चन ये भी बोलेगा that third edition of UN Ocean Conference will be conducted at which place? Which edition of UN conference will be conducted? Ocean conference will be conducted in 25. Who is going to host it? ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन बनेंगे. तो पहले न्यूज देख लेते हैं. Union Ministry of Earth Science, Government of India collaborated with the Embassy of France and the Embassy of Costa Rica. ये दोनों याद रखना है. They are the host this year. So Embassy of France, Embassy of Costa Rica, with these two embassies recently government of India conducted the second blue talk on 20th of May in Lodi Road, New Delhi, in Prithvi Bhavan. New Delhi में conduct हुआ था. They also issues a white paper transforming India's blue economy, investment, innovation and sustainable growth in collaboration with the strategic knowledge partners. So recently second round of discussion was conducted by India in the favor of blue economy with France and Costa Rica, which are the host of this year. So after the first conference was held in the New York in 2017. Second conference was held in Lisbon in 2022. This year, France and Costa Rica are going to host the conference. This is going to be the third edition of UN Ocean Conference that will be held in Nice, France. City name is Nice. So Nice, France, from 9th of June to 13th of June it will be conducted. Main objective will be accelerating action mobilizing all the factors to conserve the sustainability use ocean। तो ये ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा इस साल का। पॉइंट क्लियर है अच्छे से? एक दो न्यूज और है बस। पॉइंट क्लियर यहां तक? ज्यादा न्यूज हो रहे हैं क्या आजकल डिस्कस? आ रहा है न्यूज ज्यादा, मैं क्या करूं? ट्रेडिशनली बिल्ड एशियन स्टेज शिप इंडक्टेड इनटू द इंडियन नेवी। इंडियन नेवी में इंडक्ट किया गया है, दैट इज Condia. So Condia is the name of that ship. इस तरीके का शिप है। So the ship name is Condia. It is constructed with a team master shipwright बाबू शंकर फ्रॉम केरला। इन्होंने लीड किया शिप कंस्ट्रक्शन को। शिप वॉज लॉन्च्ड इन February 2025 in Goa, now conducted into the Indian Navy. Event was held in Naval Base Karwar and now Indian Navy will have this ship. तो एक तरीके से कल्चरल वो है, थोड़ा सा पुराना शिप बनाकर। So it is not going to be used for warfare and all. It will be a type of monument that we are going to see that okay this type of ships were there in the Indian Navy previously. तो उस तरीके का आपका शिप है and it's a very old ship, very old ship that is created with the collaboration between Ministry of Culture, Indian Navy and MS Hogi Innovation with the funding provided by Ministry of Culture. Ministry of Culture ने इसका funding provide किया था। Next है Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food, Public Distribution, Mr. Prahlad Joshi launched three portal. Portal number 1, Depot Darpan. Second, Anya Mitra. Third, Anya Sahayata. So these are the three portals recently launched by the Union Minister of Food, Public Distribution, etc. Mr. Prahlad Joshi. Portal number 1, Depot Darpan. Depot Darpan is a mobile application that will allow supervisory official to track the performance of the warehouses where farmers keep their crops after the production. So warehouses performance anytime anywhere can be checked with the support of Depot Darpan. Feedbacks can also be checked. So Depot Darpan is that mobile application by which supervisors will be able to track the performance of the warehouses anytime, availability, etc. Second portal is Anya Mitra. So Anya Mitra portal is act as a real-time command center for the ration distribution, FDS dealer, food inspector, district official, among other. Central government want to issue any type of notification, any type of information and provide it to all type of district official, FDS dealer, food inspectors. So that can be given with the support of Anya Mitra. So Anya Mitra is the portal. It is a link between the central government or the union government and the district level officers, even the lower FDS dealers also. Third portal is Anya Sahayata. So Anya Sahayata is a portal which will be the voice and grievances portal for the citizens. ये हमारे लिए बना है अन्य सहायता help. So it is a help grievances portal where citizens can raise any type of concern and they can log the complaint. तो अन्य सहायता portal हो गया citizens के लिए. Anya Mitra is the portal by the government will be linking with the officials and Depot is the portal which will be used by the officials to check the performance of the warehouses. तो ये आपके 3 पोर्टल लॉन्च हुए हैं। ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर है। Indian Army in collaboration with the Assam State Disaster Management Authority and National Disaster Response Force and State Disaster Response Force, Shastra Seema Bal, Assam Police successfully conducted Jal Rahat at IIT Guwahati. Every year we know about that. Every year there is a flood problem in Assam. So before monsoon, this type of exercise conducted called exercise Rahat. So Jal Rahat is the name of the exercise that is conducted by the different agencies in IIT Guwahati. Main objective है how to conduct the relief operations during the flood issue. Arunachal Pradesh welcomed the new butterfly species Youthlia malaccana. Youthlia malaccana is the name of that species, that butterfly species which is recently found in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. So it was said that it will be observed only in the Indonesia, Philippines and such area, but it is found in India also, in Arunachal Pradesh. India में अरुणाचल प्रदेश में इसको अभी पाया गया है. जयंत नार्लिकर sir, who was a astrophysics who challenged the Big Bang theory, passed away recently, and he born in 1938 in Kolhapur, Maharashtra, grew up with a family of the intellectual values, and recently passed away. Jayant sir. So Jayant sir was the astrophysicist who have challenged the Big Bang theory and recently passed away. M.R. Srinivasan sir, he was a nuclear scientist, passed away at the age of 98. तो 98 की एज पर 95 की एज पर एम आर श्रीनिवासन सर है, इनका भी डेथ हुआ है. ही वॉज अ न्यूक्लियर साइंटिस्ट. इंपॉर्टेंट डेज पर आते हैं तो इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 22 ऑफ मे. 22 ऑफ मे को ऑब्जर्व होता है. द थीम ऑफ दिस ईयर इज harmony with the nature and sustainable development. That is the theme of 2025. So it is done from my side. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. Sorry from my side for one or two answers that typo. I'll keep in mind not to repeat the typos again in the MCQs especially. And your PO batch is live, GD, GE, psychometric, this batch is live. So inform to your friends about this. Now I'll be meeting you guys back on Monday morning. Saturday, Sunday I will be involved and working with the student those who are going to give the interview. तो अभी मेरा 2 दिन का टाइम मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि उन्हीं को मिल जाए जो कि इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं and they can grow up in the next 2 days properly. So I will be busy with them. Still, if you have any doubt, you know that my Telegram ID is always available, group is available, so I'll respond on time. Thank you for joining the session, guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best. Please